even.
So we just have to choose our heights on our Y.
So when you put the circle, you can define the position X, Y, and Z. So this is what we ask you. It's 0, 0 on X and Y, and the axis is different level of the tape. Okay.
Create a lofted surface.
Perfect.
Can I do this in two?
No.
It's got to be in
The
three.
3D.
Okay.
So close this.
Close this.
Because on 2D you cannot have different levels. So
Okay.
that's why we start on 3D.
So start here.
So
Then I have my
radius 30, 0, 0, 0.
Zero, 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 meaning it to a center.
Right.
Okay.
So that'll.
0, 0, 0.
Okay.
0.
And,
0.
Oh, I see. And then-
So that will
Okay, you
start.
accept this.
This one will start.
Okay,
Here,
now
flat.
you make
Okay.
second one.
Oh, okay, I see.
40
Yeah,
and
and
0,
25.
0, 25.
Right. Okay. Easy.
Oh, good morning. They're all separate sketches? Or is it one sketch?
Non, si, bah, il te faut valider le
No, I think
sketch.
it's all
the same. You just stack them up.
Dans le menu surface, tu vas faire du loft.
This guy.
These are all in the same sketch?
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
J'ai pas coupé avec ma feuille.
Paper cut, I'm going home.
I'll come to the government.
Okay, that's done.
Thank you, Tony.
making sense.
Yeah. I think so.
Next.
It's always the Z is always the.
Right.
Which one's lofted?
Third or fourth one.
You must accept the sketch first.
Oh.
Now-
Okay. Surface. Lofted.
Oh, yay, this is where the fun begins, huh?
Non, c'était bien trop simple.
And then we choose, then select circles, create.
Yeah, you just select from top to bottom or bottom.
Okay. So click on here first,
Okay. Yeah, and then you
and
select
then click.
next one.
Oh, just
next
keep.
one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yes.
All
Okay.
good.
Lofted. So lofted just fills.
Yeah, for
Okay.
connect all together
Okay.
and remove surface. Your option. I want this in solid.
Create a spout,
Okay.
via trim.
Okay, and that's it.
Yeah. Full.
Okay.
Make a new sketch. Okay. Yes.
Which is here.
Yeah.
I see.
So select the plane. So it's not
Okay.
X and Z. Okay. And to make the drawing like this, so
Okay.
accept this.
Okay. Okay. I just need to make a new. Okay.
Le rayon, ça représente le rayon de l'arc là.
So that's split in half.
No.
So if we create a cylinder on the top, the same.
So in fact,
Trim by
the arc start at this point,
Okay.
go down, and
Goes
then
down.
horizontal.
Okay.
And horizontal is at 100, so you can
Okay.
start with a horizontal line at 100
Okay.
from bottom.
Okay.
Okay, make just like this. This line is 100 from bottom, so you just draw a horizontal line 100. Okay, so now you have to attach this point really at the end of the graph, so you can zoom in. So it looks not so bad. Okay, so what you can do now, you can make fixity. You don't know the position, but you can fix it and you click on the point. Okay, so now this point is fixed, so you can move it.
Oh, okay.
There is no real constraint, but it's fixed.
Okay.
So then now if you zoom out, you can put now the tangency with this and this. Window.
So
Okay.
what he showed me,
So,
in order to get that
in
thing
fact-
from pink to blue,
You have two
Tangency.
you could do tangency as yes.
important things. This is the curve,
Yep.
The line.
tangent with this
That's
line.
okay.
Okay, that's why
And
if
yeah, so
it's
you
no break.
Fixed the point in the end.
It's the
first.
same swoop point.
Okay, so this point
Okay.
is
So-
important.
Oh, I need to
because
fix
you
this
want
here?
the curve
So if you
Yeah.
go
exactly
to,
on this point. So
it's another
on this
constraint
one you can
type
say here.
So where the
No,
tangency
or this one. No.
is
Right
right here.
45 from the.
Yeah.
So 45 from here.
Oh,
yes.
No, so fixing is like a workaround.
Fixed.
You're not constraining it with
So
a
if you click on
number
the
or a
point,
value or anything, 'cause we
The
don't
point
actually
is
have
fixed. Okay.
Yeah.
a known
You
location
do
for that,
this.
but you can just go into.
So this radius you can
constraints
delete
and do
because
something
you
called
don't know
fixed.
if it's
It's a
correct or
little
not.
thumbnail.
Okay?
Yeah.
And you have to say that this
What is it?
values of this
Fixed, it's a little pin.
tangent with
And
this
so,
line.
and then click on the end, yeah. So that just fixes that
And
point.
see,
So see now it's blue.
Okay.
so the radius and the
I'm surprised the tangency
Okay.
wasn't necessary.
Now you see it's tangent.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Try it.
curve,
Yeah.
it's
Oh, you,
right
you
to the-
gave it a radius.
Now I can
Okay.
cut.
So, but you understand that
Did
we
you
have
touch
to
the-
remove the
Yes,
radius
yes,
before
yeah,
we
touch
do
either one.
tangency because
And I think it's giving you
the
the error now.
tangency affects
exclamation
the
mark.
radius. So
Yes, it
if you
does.
have a radius already, you
Two,
can
tangents.
Yes. Yep. I can cut.
So
I
I
will
would
forget
delete
to work
the
it.
radius contingency,
How do I do that?
click on R122.497 and delete it. And then do
Tangent?
tangency between.
Yeah, but before you do the tangency, you
Yeah.
have to make sure this point won't move. Because
You fixed it.
okay, you did. Oh, sorry.
And so.
So if
remind me how
it's
to do that
fixed,
again?
if
Yeah.
it's fixed, then if you apply the tangency, then the radius will change because the only way to be tangent and have a point over there is to change the radius. If you keep the radius value, it's impossible. Okay, you see now the curve change, but we still will go on this point.
Okay. And that's
Okay,
good.
and you can accept the sketch,
Excellent.
and then you can trim by profile.
Trim by profile, which is in surface.
Make a right click directly on the line.
Oh yeah. Okay. Right. And so the shape to modify is the
Yeah, the
first
shape.
This one.
Yeah. The sketch is already selected.
Okay.
But it didn't work. Why? Try to put the y-axis on the direction.
In here.
Direction. Select the y-axis. Yeah. So it doesn't work. So you can extend profile. Okay. Now
Move
this.
that up.
Okay. You can accept this. So I have to show this to the other guy.
Okay. Oh, he's done it. You need to do it still.
Yeah, but anyway, I have to show this because something wrong happened here. I have to show you why. Okay, so he did the profile and he did the trim by profile. The trim by profile was in error, you see? It was in error before I extend the profile. So in fact, if the sketch does not go out of the model, it's impossible to trim.
Okay, right.
It's like if you, I don't know if we
Just
say
looking at-
this, you know, the wire to cut the butter.
Yeah,
You take it on both sides and you go through the butter.
right.
If one of your finger is in the butter,
Mhm.
it doesn't work. It is the same, so you have to extend the wire to make sure it goes out. And here you can see,
So-
but you have an
Oh,
option to say extend profile, then it make it
Okay.
automatically.
Oh, nice.
So if we're ever stuck sometimes in that phase.
So
just
make
extend.
sure all the time when you do a profile like this to trim, make sure it goes.
But even though the line was still blue, it said it was okay, but it wasn't connected.
Yes, it is okay because it is under constraints.
Okay, oh,
but,
right, yeah, yeah,
The software doesn't know what you want to do with the profile.
right.
Maybe trim, maybe extrude, maybe, okay. So in fact, the problem was on the sketch, and here you can see it's gonna go through. So like this, it's okay. Okay, so make sure all the time you go out. And here the problem, you see, the fixity was not so good. It's supposed to be right to the end, but
Okay.
I did a big zoom. So
Mm.
maybe it's few, but
Once you make the thickness, it will matter, I guess.
yeah, so normally if I do this, remove
Oh, cause yeah,
fixity.
we have to make a.
and
we have to
fix,
hollow this thing out,
okay.
okay? Oh, that was-
Okay, it's better like this.
And the hand. Okay. And this is a new sketch as well?
Yeah, new sketch to draw the handle.
Why is it sometimes when I changed, I did a constraint on this circle, made it 5, and it automatically did it for this one, and it shrunk it down, like scale. Is that because?
Now, as soon as you apply the first dimensional value,
Mhm.
it scale all the sketch. So I don't know what you did before.
Here, I'll do it again, so you can
Yeah.
see what happens. So
Okay.
here, I drew these two, right, and I'll go back
And
one
you
more
have
time.
more circles. So in fact, I just check if
So-
there is any
Yes, I
information
agree.
at the back. So now, in fact, you have to draw in this view. So it is on X and Y, X and Z.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh,
Like this, okay? So in fact, you have to draw like this,
Oh.
the arc with straight lines over there, straight, arc and straight, okay?
oh, can I sweep it?
Then we'll do like the tennis racket,
Swept,
but there is a specific function named tube.
okay,
In fact, when it's a constant cylinder,
yes,
then there is a function for this, so you don't have to draw any
Profile.
the profile and so on, okay?
oh, okay, so we just do a
And
line,
then
yeah, okay,
you apply this, and then we make a boolean
union,
union, and then we apply the fillet on here.
okay. So if I'm drawing it from this side, how do I know I'm in the center? That's why I had it oriented the other way, cause I knew that it was in the center.
Yeah, in fact, when we started everything, we create the circle 0, 0, 0. So everything is center.
Right, what I'm saying is that I put my plane
You,
here,
at the beginning, you did it on Y and Z axis.
because I thought I put my.
Yeah, you wanted, that was okay. You wanted to make the cylinder like this.
Just by
It was
default.
okay. Your plane definition for what you wanted to do was correct.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but you were on the wrong path. So
So my question is, I'm gonna be attaching a wire or line to the
No,
center of this cup. How do I go not attach it
you just make this like this to and the arc.
Yeah,
Then you apply the correct
so
rotation.
it's automatically in the middle. Oh, cause it's 0, 0, 0.
Everywhere around the world they do that?
I guess cause I'm
Ça veut dire que
Yeah, it's,
Ouais, ça arrive quand
So what you're-
like, you don't have to orient it this way because it's already.
So I think what you're saying is that I have my axes, my
Yes.
Z axes, my
Yeah.
X,
In
and
the
my
center.
Y in the
Yes.
center.
Yes.
So whenever I draw these lines, I was thinking that
No,
it
no,
might
no,
be here
it
or
grow
here or
it grow
here.
here because we didn't define any new offset plane.
Okay.
We have on the original plane.
Okay. So 30. Here's the distance. Well.
Comment qu'il y a sur la left, hein?
Ben, c'est
Si-
c'est
si
là,
ça-
oui.
Si ça se passe mal, il y a que moi qui joue au courant.
C'est ça. C'est là.
Si là, il y a un tremblement de terre et qu'il faut se mettre sous la table, il y a que moi qui sais.
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait?
Qu'est-ce qu'il
So
fait?
you do
J'ai même pas
125.
lu ce qu'il y avait écrit.
Yes.
Bon,
and
nous sommes.
then 50
Je
from
vois pas
there.
comment. Qu'est-ce qui. Oui.
Mais tu dessines en fait, tu as besoin de poser un
And
cercle.
then 50 on top.
Et de trouver où est le centre du cercle.
Ouais, mais ça, on n'a pas la.
It's gonna
Tu
be 30.
tout. Voilà, diamètre 50.
Ah, tiens, moi, je pensais que c'était la rôle.
Trim that profile.
It's good. Strain. That guy.
Je pense que j'ai screw up quelque chose quelque part parce que je suis pas capable de le couper.
Ouais. Alors,
Ah, c'est oui,
là, mets-toi correctement dans la vue relative là. Dans la vue de dessus. Voilà, et on va tourner.
Okay.
Bien voir quoi.
ça.
Alors déjà, ça c'est bizarre. Alors,
The arc. Oh, the arcs.
d'abord, on va
Where does-
donc ça c'est
Ouais.
tout ce que tu vois. Donc tu fais
Yeah,
un
where does it
petit droit.
start?
trim
The
back.
arc starts.
Mhm.
In the
Yeah.
center.
Donc,
Moi, j'ai pas
Starts
séparé.
cette
at the
flèche
50
hein,
and at the
te
25.
donne la direction de ce que tu vas lever.
I'm gonna go after the center line first.
En fait, on va lever ce qu'il y a
Yeah,
ici.
50.
Well, it's 50 above the 25. It's 50 there.
The height is 50.
But you're
Il y a-
talking
il y a-
about
il y a-
damage
il y a-
in the
par contre, il y a
So-
deux trucs qui-
So I'm gonna start on-
c'est pour eux.
Start my arc right here, I guess, wherever it comes into there.
Well, that's what I was thinking, so right at the surface. So do we need to bring this line back to the surface?
We can always take it off after.
Trim it?
Ah, tu as changé le type de limitation.
Okay, so arc,
Tu as pris une révolution, c'est pour ça. En fait,
radius,
il faut rester sur une exclue. En fait, comme fil, tu l'exclus de
Five.
la...
does that make sense?
Ok. J'étais là 3 fois, mais ça n'a pas marché. Excuse-moi.
Nope.
Ok. Ok.
Or is it, oh, this is diameter of 50.
Yes.
Yes. Diameter of 50.
Ça là. Je peux sauter cette ligne-ci à cette heure ou.
Okay.
Bon, mais
So
on
where
va
it
changer
finishes
si
on
tu
top
veux
is where it
la
finishes,
prise.
because the radius is
Tu
set.
fais des sketchs là, et t'es deux là, t'as pris, non, clique ici là, en bout là, au-dessus. Voilà, là c'est tous les sketchs hein, ne sont plus visibles.
Ok.
How are you connecting?
Ça c'est la
it
visibilité.
in there?
Tu
Or
faut
just
pas le
wherever
supprimer,
it
il faut juste le
It's not
cacher.
actually-
starts coming back down again.
Yeah, but
Right.
it's not actually connected, I don't think. So maybe I can go coincidence. So this one. I want to be up here.
Ça. 70 pour la première.
Is that good?
Yeah.
So now I should be able to trim.
Yes. Wait. Ah, yes, you trim, yes. And you have to set the center of the circle in the correct position.
The center of this radius?
Yes.
Okay.
Because at the moment, you can, no, sorry.
C'est ton premier?
Je travaille là-dessus.
Ça, je t'en
Mm.
plus down, là.
The moment you can do this,
Create the handle profile,
Okay,
create
so you have
shape
to-
via pipe icon.
apply the correct.
Oh, no, we're not doing that right. Arc. Radius, 25.
So this center.
What are we doing here?
So I only have a measurement from the outside of, like,
Yeah.
this line is 30.
Yeah.
So when I grab this, it looks for an angle, not a.
Yeah, normal. So you can select the center. So you know the radius. The radius is 25, so it's 30 less 35.
Oh, okay.
30 less 25. Yeah. And you take the center.
And that's gonna be 5 off of here?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm not sure you can handle this. So you have to go there. But this, you know it.
So I've got, okay, so I've got, 35, 30, so 65 minus 15.
How many responsible?
So this is the center,
Yes.
this line here is,
It's 40. Yes. Diameter 80. So this is 40.
this is 40,
Yes. So 40 plus
30 is
30, 70. 70 less 25.
Oh, okay, so 45. See that? So we're trying to find out where this, because I can't move the arc, to find out where the center of this needs to be relative to the center. So we know that it's,
What do you wanna do?
this circle
Create profile,
here,
create
Yeah,
shape with this.
before you need to raise the profile, so you need to
or
do
25 away from
something
here.
like that.
So,
Start there.
let's just see, so
Radius,
where we'll find out where this is. So we know this
You
is,
have to do this.
Okay.
And then you make the handle
See
with
that?
the. So you have to make a new sketch. On the correct orientation.
right for
Yeah.
that, so,
Donc demandez la position de toute ça, là. Un moteur, un X et un Y, on fait le mouvement d'elle. Donc avec le plan, tu vas pouvoir les déterminer.
Bah, déjà,
that must line up with this line.
je l'ai mis quand je l'ai dessiné.
Ah ouais, mais il faut contrôler. Le mettre c'est une chose, mais il vaut mieux donc tu as juste à le valider si il est dans la bonne position. Ah ouais, par rapport à
Oh, I see, I see, okay, so this is 40 to here,
How do you,
because it's 80 from.
oh, right,
here to
80
here.
half. Okay, so 80 plus 30 is 70, so that's where
And then
your
there's
center.
80 plus 30 is 70, so that takes you to here, and then you come back, the radius, so 70 minus
Minus
25 is 45.
Yeah. Correct plane.
Okay.
No, but you didn't accept. Create new sketch. Yeah.
It's 70, so it goes
Take the
70 out
plane.
from the center.
No. The plane is here.
Constraint.
Super plane.
That's
This one, yes. So accept this. Okay, now you can go.
Ici, pour la garde dedans, il n'y a pas de
Non.
So,
Ouais, mais
So it's gonna
on rentre
be,
plus, mais
the
c'est
distance
pas grave,
from
juste
here
on
to
peut
this
envoyer,
one
ouais, ça,
is
c'est-
40.
c'est-
Okay, and then we don't know where
Il
that
faut
is
qu'il
here,
rentre
so we know this,
Ouais.
so we add
So we
another
need
30.
30, so we need to be, that's, needs to be 70, right?
70.
I'm 70 there, it looks
Là, embêté,
way
il faut
bigger,
que ça
way
Yeah,
further
yeah,
out.
but one more step. So what we're trying to do is not move this arc, we're trying to move the center of the circle.
Okay, okay.
So then we gotta come back, the
25.
radius to 25, so that center of the circle should be 45 from this line. So-
From the center line.
From the center line, cause that's all we know, we can count out to here,
Yeah.
it's 70. The only way to count back is to use the radius, so we subtract the radius of the circle, just 25.
Oh, I see,
So
okay.
70 minus 25 is 45, which is the remainder here
Okay, so 45 out is the center,
of the circle.
Of the circle.
Yeah, cause we can't grab the arc.
right, okay. New line.
Okay, and now we need pipe.
Set.
Oh, that problem. Oh, I should trim that maybe.
Okay, so now you can do the pipe, yes.
Should I do the pipe now or trim
Yes.
this? Okay.
Pipe it.
Let's pipe it. Is that something that comes out of here?
Not sure, but if you go in the shape menu or surface menu, the first one is pipe.
No? Okay. Alright.
So you have three options, okay? So the first one is, so the last one is with the profile,
Okay,
okay, like the rocket we did.
yes.
So the other one is
Tube shape.
tube, and the first one is just a cylinder. So if put the radius, and just
I think it's
so radius
5. Radius 5.
radius 5, yes.
So diameter, so
10
10.
diameter 10. Okay, that's fine. Make a union, boolean union,
Yeah.
and then make the fillet. Good. Selon le but de la percée, là. Sur le haut. Voilà, ici, sur le haut. Et là, il faut trop enlever de façon dans celui-là, celui-là. Tu mets les deux sœurs, voilà, bon, parce que
Together, just, we're gonna hollow that.
ah, parfait. Ah ouais, celui-là, il est pas joli.
Il est plus fragile.
Change la couleur,
Changer la couleur.
tu dois, celui. Ouais. Tu le mets en bleu clair, comme ça. Ou un petit bleu clair peut-être. Voilà. Pour valider, tu mets la couleur, c'est pareil, tu feras, enfin,
I don't know where I'm going.
Okay, yeah. So, what are you're doing the arc?
Yeah,
Okay, so you don't need the vertical line.
okay, so I'll get rid of that.
Ah,
ok.
I don't think I had a vertical line,
Yeah.
no, so you don't need a vertical line. Okay,
So I go,
and you are gonna create the arc from where it kind of connects down there. So go to your arc tool. And then,
radius is 25.
Yeah, so start around there, yeah. And then finish up higher.
Like this is where I have problems, like it's turns that way, it
Yeah,
doesn't.
don't worry about it, cause an arc is always 3 points, is where you start, where you finish, and
Oh,
then.
right,
the
and
third
then you
one
have
is
to
the
pull it
arc.
out.
That's right. Did you, okay, try that again.
Yeah, I'm definitely missing something here. Okay, so arc tool, start here, right, I'll zoom right in, so right,
Ça, tu peux modifier ton.
okay, so, and then, second point is up here.
Le centre
Somewhere,
du-
yeah. And then pull your cursor down.
Bon, ici, t'as un rayon.
Ouais.
Oh.
Rayon de 25.
Maybe it's because you
Ah,
have
c'est la moitié. Ben, ça, je l'avais mis, c'est
sheet there, it has a fixed radius.
Non, j'en ai pas mis 25,
So if you go back to your radius tool again, and on the top, it says, on the left-hand side, I think it says free, click that
No,
one.
it's cool.
Okay, so you had a fixed radius, so that's why as soon as you put 2 points, it said, well, this is the radius. But we don't know what the radius is.
I thought the radius was,
Oh, we do know the radius.
or do we? Maybe we don't. Radius does,
I don't think we do.
okay.
No.
So,
Well, no, we should, yeah, the diameter is 50,
Moins 25.
so the radius was 25. Well, let's try this anyways.
Okay, let me, that guy, okay, so,
And then go to free.
free,
Yeah.
and then I'll have my start point here, and my end point up here.
Okay, and then, yeah, there you go, and then click there.
Ouais.
Even though it's above there.
Fait que moi, je
Yeah,
regarde,
it doesn't matter.
ça c'est supposé être le milieu.
Okay, and now you can specify the radius as
Sur le, ça c'est 80.
25 when you put
80 c'est
the
là.
constraint on it.
30.
Ah oui, c'est ça, ouais, c'est
So,
40.
how do I do that? We go to constraint?
Yeah,
Moins 25
and
pour
then
le
grab
25.
that arc, which
Ça
is true.
ça donne
10,
45.
45.
Okay,
Pull
Là,
away,
faut le bouger à 45.
yeah, pull to the right, and
Ici,
then click,
ça,
double click.
okay.
avec l'axe là, à 45. Le dessus, descend en bas.
Okay, so good job. Arc, oh, you got
So
it.
what's the deal?
I'm trying to create an arc.
Just change the radius.
How do I do that?
Okay, so you see the radius is with comma,
Yeah,
so
Ça, c'est
because it's already here.
okay.
So this one you can delete. So close this first. Okay, delete this, and now change it here.
Okay,
Oh, I see. So it already had it, okay.
right.
That was my mistake. Okay.
All the time you have a comma,
And it's 25?
25, yes.
Ça ici.
Okay, so make sure you have tangency within this, so you can
Okay.
go tangency.
Tangency, which is already there.
Sur l'option
Ah oui.
de cotation.
Okay, so this line and this. Okay. Then you can trim,
Is that?
trim the,
Oh, trim it, yeah.
trim this. Okay, so now you can close, so you see it's still pink, so you should take the center of this, drag it, you see you can move.
Okay.
Why? Because you didn't set.
Hmm.
Okay, and also look, you can trim this.
So now we're getting back to that.
Trim it.
Minus.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So now put the correct
So now I need
close the
to.
trim, and you have to put the distance from
constraint
this
here?
to this.
Okay. No, it's gotta be 45.
Le deuxième. Sweat. Le premier. Oh, après.
Okay.
Non, tout. We're set.
Now we need to go, so this is good. Now
You
we need
have
to
accept
This is
the
it.
case.
accept.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you do the pipe.
Now I do the pipe,
Is this millimètre?
which is.
It's a surface.
Surface menu.
Là, faut que je fasse.
Surface
Sur la flèche.
Okay, sur la flèche.
Non, la
Pipe.
flèche, là.
Okay.
And then I
Okay.
just follow my path here.
You have three options, you see?
Okay.
First one is just
On fait accept.
Let's all that.
take it the first one.
Union.
Faut aller, non, ouais.
The wires.
Okay.
Okay.
Second one is like a tube.
Mhm.
And last one is if you use a different profile, like a square or so on. But at the moment it's like a cylinder, so the first one. Okay, so the path is this, the sketch you just made, so you can move in 3D to see.
Pointed the right way.
Yeah, just move in 3D a little. Okay.
Okay.
And the diameter is 10, that's fine because they ask for radius 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you can accept this.
Okay, so that's done.
Because it's solid.
Okay, now you can do the boolean union.
Okay.
Make only one shape, so
Okay,
you can.
so my boolean, close this.
The tube goes inside.
So it's shape.
Oh, yeah. shape
Okay.
boolean, and my shape
Is okay.
is the original.
Yeah.
My tools is this, and that's good.
Mm.
Okay,
And then you can do the fillet.
the fillet, which is just these here,
Yeah.
and 10 R10. Oh wow.
Yes. And this one.
Huh. Okay, that's great.
That's it.
Beautiful. It's a thing of beauty.
Now you make right click, change the attribute. Right click here, attribute, select the color. No, not this one. Light blue, something light blue, yes. Okay, accept this, and now it play with the transparency, like an 80 or 70%. Yeah.
Source document
Accept
valid
this.
cannot create machine document. Parce que le fait le fait.
Except.
When
was
you
that?
When you hollowed it,
No, it's not.
Ah, you have to allow, yes.
By fillet.
So
so shape.
at the moment it's free.
I don't think I did all of them.
Do all of this. I'm trying to.
Hello.
understand.
Ça va et toi?
Shape.
Fait que sont reculés jusqu'à temps je dépasse ça.
Ah, on n'a pas encore posé la question, mais il y a forte chance que non. Moi. Très forte chance que non. Ouais. Ouais. Ouais, parce que j'attends de voir aussi ce que fait Jonathan, parce qu'il ne sait pas encore s'il reste la semaine prochaine ou pas là. Donc dès que j'ai les infos, je te dirai. Ouais. Alors, as-tu vendu ta première machine? Hein?
Oh, right.
C'est the gold difference.
There's this.
Ah, et tous ils m'ont annoncé qu'ils vont la vendre aujourd'hui, donc ils se sont vautrés.
Sur les manches. Sur le manche.
Ah là là, il te le fait durer ça. Hein?
Les manches en pareil.
It's like it's treating. Is it? It's got two shapes, but it's usually.
Bon, bah écoute, on verra. Bon, je te tiens au courant ouais, dès que on en sait plus. Ça marche.
Well, I want the top.
Allez, salut.
Shape.
Ils n'ont pas vendu. Il faut qu'ils retournent vendredi. Ah ben c'est que c'est pas encore.
Did you do it on the outside?
Il force les clients à signer. Il est encore trop tard, non? Trop jeune. Ah.
Je sais pas ce qu'il y a, mais il n'arrive pas à faire le filet ici.
Alors, on a dû venir. So, can you... Ah, you did the euro?
Yes.
Oh.
I don't know how I did though. Oh no, I went to
Euro?
to hollow this one.
Open it, yeah. So close this. It's here. Open this. Double click. Oh, on the euro.